Hello friends, glad to see you all after a long time. Welcome back to Shilpa's vlog, and in today's video, this was a small trip from Hassan to Bangalore, and we found this restaurant, Empire Restaurant, on the way, and it was must visit there, and it was lovely cuisine there, and we had a lot of chicken kebabs, grilled chicken, and many more. This is what I was having, and definitely, ooh, I'm just loving it. Mm, this was fish curry, and this is authentic kebab from Empire, and this was some paratha, and this is grilled chicken. It was lovely cuisine. I mean, I loved it, and definitely you all will like if you are non-vegetarian. And this is an authentic kebabs. Nowhere you get this kind of taste. And my husband is just, the extra grease. He's just removing it because he don't like the more of oil or ghee. Yeah, this was a grill which was going on, and oh. This for all the chicken lovers who like chicken, and this ambience is very beautiful. It is in the highway itself and lot of parking space, and outside also we can sit here, and there is a canopy kind of things, and beautiful. It can accommodate more people as well inside and as well as outside, and kids area is there, and we'll have a lot of fun there. Definitely do visit once you are that place, and definitely after good non-veg food, it's masala chai, something like it will definitely give you more nice feel, and definitely I like it. Thanks for watching.